12 things you do every day that destroy your skin. Are you blessed with flawless skin? Thought so. The number of ladies that don't have to do anything in order to keep their skin glowing can probably be counted on the fingers of one hand. Beautiful skin is usually a bit more complex. It requires the selection of the right cosmetics, coming up with a daily skincare routine, and avoiding some of the common mistakes. Have you ever thought about the things you do on a daily basis that could potentially destroy your skin? Chances are that you're making at least one mistake that's standing in the way of perfection. Here are 12 habits that have a direct impact on skin elasticity and appearance. If you'd like to have more youthful and beautiful skin, you'll need to make some adjustments. But before we begin, make sure you're subscribed to our channel because we publish new videos every day. And most importantly, we want you to join our community of boss ladies. With that being said, let's get started. Number 1. Always being on the phone. Do you know that your smartphone could be dirtier than the toilet? It turns out that the phone is among the dirtiest personal belongings and it can accumulate tons of bacteria. Pressing it against your cheek doesn't sound like the best thing for your skin, right? Bacteria on your hands and smartphone can easily transfer to your skin and cause acne. Use antibacterial wipes to regularly clean the phone. This will limit the risk of bacteria spreading and skin spots. Number 2. Touching your face excessively. You probably don't even realize how many times a day you're touching your face. It's like an automated habit. You scratch your forehead, you touch the pimple at the base of your nose, or you press your chin to check for too much oiliness. Think about how clean your hands are. Skin touching lets bacteria spread from one part of the face to another. This is a particularly big problem for the individuals suffering from acne. What does it take to stop this harmful habit? Use the right kind of motivation. Your skin will heal faster if you stop touching it all the time. Less touching means less dirt and oil that cause acne. Number 3. Smoking. The health dangers of smoking are well known, but people seem to forget how bad it is for the appearance of skin. Spending a fortune on face creams and cosmetic procedures isn't going to do anything unless you quit right now. The appearance of wrinkles is an inevitable process, but smoking accelerates it significantly. If you are a heavy smoker, you may experience visible skin sagging, excessive wrinkles and lines, and skin discoloration. Number 4. Sleeping in your makeup. Every woman has done it at least once, going to bed with a full face of makeup. The laziness after a party or an exhausting day at work can easily turn into a bad habit. Yep, it's similar to smoking. You know that it's bad, but you can't help yourself. Sleeping helps our bodies recover from everyday stress. It's also vital for skin regeneration. Once you go to bed with makeup on, you stop the process of renewal. Your skin is covered with foundation or powder that absorbs all external contaminants and microbes. Thus, your skin becomes much more prone to bacterial infections and acne. We've talked about this before in one of our previous videos called 10 Biggest Hygiene Mistakes Women Make Every Day, in that we discuss this and other hygienic mistakes you make every day without even realizing. Click on the right-hand corner to check it out. If you're too tired to go through the entire skin cleaning routine in the evening, at least opt for makeup removal wipes. These are enriched with antibacterial substances and moisturizing agents that will give you a clean face before going to bed. Number 5. Using too much makeup. Wearing makeup makes your skin look flawless, and it's an easy option for dealing with the signs of fatigue. The amount matters in makeup. Putting too much foundation or powder on can make you look unnatural. In addition, too much makeup can clog the pores and lead to the appearance of the dreaded blackheads. Although makeup helps you deal with skin imperfections, it can actually cause acne and pimples. Number 6. Touching and squeezing pimples. Popping pimples and blackheads is a sure way to aggravate your skin. The unprofessional treatment of pimples and blackheads will lead to red and dark spots on your face. Pimples are full of bacteria, dirt, and sebum buildup. Once you squeeze them, all bacteria will be free to affect other regions of the skin. The best way to deal with a pimple is to let it disappear on its own, or to have a specialized dermatological treatment. If you still have to do it by yourself, wash your hands thoroughly. Use a clean tissue or a cotton makeup removal pad to press against the pimple. Number 7. Biting the skin on your lips. Lip care is often neglected as people put all their attention on the rest of the face. But cold weather, air conditioning, and other environmental factors can seriously affect the lips, making them dry and cracked. Dry and sore lips could be an early sign of skin problems. Licking your lips all the time or biting them doesn't do anything to improve the situation. If you're constantly doing these, chances are that you're dehydrated. Number 8. Being too harsh with exfoliation. Aggressive exfoliation is very harmful, especially when done way more often than needed. People with problematic skin tend to over-exfoliate their face and to use harsh scrubs. This habit, however, can cause excessive oiliness and aggressive acne. If you prefer home exfoliation instead of professional treatments, use products that are created for your skin type. Gentle and soft movements are a must if you want to do healthy exfoliation that will prevent skin irritation. Finally, how often should you exfoliate? Exfoliation once a week is enough to keep your face healthy and clean. Talk to your dermatologist if you think your skin needs special care. Number 9. Taking long hot showers. Taking a long hot shower after a hectic day at work is one of the best relaxation options. If that's a regular habit, however, it may cause skin problems. Hot water ruins the epidermis, the upper layer of the skin, and causes dehydration. Pay attention to your skin's condition when you're taking a shower. Does it become red? Does it itch? If the answer is yes, it's time to get out of the bathroom or opt for lukewarm water. Try to lower the water temperature and observe how it affects your skin. Always use a body lotion or a cream after getting out of the shower to lock the moisture in and prevent dryness. Number 10. Eating high-fat and sugary foods. Have you noticed that after eating certain types of food, you're more likely to experience a breakout? There is a strong connection between what you eat and your skin's condition. Everything you eat affects your hormone balance, hence your skin's oiliness or the risk of getting pimples. Eating foods that are rich in vitamins and drinking water will help for toxin removal and for faster skin regeneration. Avoid drinks that contain added sugar. Basically, water is your best pick. Your daily menu should include more vegetables and fruits instead of salty and oily foods like chips and hamburgers. Salty and fatty foods make the skin dull and lifeless. Number 11. Using other people's cosmetics. Taking a colleague's powder or lipstick is easy when you just need a little makeup to freshen up your face. From lipstick to face cream and foundation, using other people's makeup or cosmetics can lead to infections and skin irritation. Also, the fact that you have similar skin issues doesn't mean that you're both going to benefit equally from the same cosmetics. The best way to keep your makeup products protected is to be selfish about them. Hygiene is crucial for avoiding skin problems. If you're uncertain about somebody else's hygienic practices, it's better to avoid using their cosmetics. The same applies to tools for makeup application. You should never opt for somebody else's makeup brush due to potential bacterial contamination. Number 12. Almost always wearing foundation. Allow your skin to breathe and have at least one day with no makeup on. Having a free day of makeup will allow for the renewal of the skin cells. Put on some moisturizing face cream with SPF to protect your face from the sun and go out and enjoy the day. Even if you need to wear makeup to the office every single day, you can still have a weekend that's free of foundation, mascara, and lipstick. Your skin's going to love it and its condition will improve significantly. Chances are that by going makeup-free, you'll actually reduce the amounts of makeup you have to use on a daily basis. Thank you for being a part of Rebela. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. We also handpicked these videos which we recommend you watch next, and we'll see you back tomorrow.